Hello guys, welcome to another video. And today I have got this projector. I got it from Flipkart, and this is from a brand called Wzatco. It is a budget projector and the model is Yuva Elite, as you can see here. And yeah, so I'll quickly unbox it and I'll also show you how it is working. So I'll share my feedback as well at the end of the video. So this is what you get inside the box. There is one user manual and there is a warranty card. You have to register the warranty, fill up a form, a Google form kind of form, which will actually register your warranty. And it has this basic plastic covering and some padding material. So it comes with this remote. It is a basic remote. It doesn't come with batteries. You will have to get the batteries on your own. Yeah, it is good that they also provide a HDMI cable, which you will need because this is not an Android projector. It is just a normal projector. So you will need a HDMI cable to connect it to either your laptop. And this is the basic power cord, which is specific for this projector. So you cannot use Type C or anything. So you'll need this power cord always. I'll keep it aside. And yeah, you get also this for the older speakers if you want to connect. And there is the last thing is this. I'll show you what this is in later part of the video. I'll get it out of the plastic. So this is the actual projector. It is available in this white color. There is a Wzatco branding, and it is a full HD 1080p projector. There is one single power button on the top. There is some ventilation port here, two USB ports, two HDMI ports, audio port, and for a audio video port as well. Infrared sensor for the remote, and it is present at the front as well. So control it with remote from the rear side. It is also possible. So remote is quite responsive. On this side you get a slot for connecting the power cord, and this is a filter. So you can remove it like this, and you can clean it. But yeah, it is a very simple filter. It doesn't come with a proper filter as such. On the front side you get this lens. This is the main projector lens. And yeah, it's good that you also get lead for your lens, so it keeps it protected. At the bottom side you can see the model number Yuva Elite, and you get a connector for your tripod or anything, any kind of monopod you are using for this projector. You can also use the same port for mounting it to the ceiling as well. And also here you get the part I was showing at adjust the elevation of the projector, so that while pointing at the wall or your screen you can just adjust the height manually. As I mentioned earlier, this projector does not come with Android built-in, and you'll have to use your laptop for projecting the content. So I think this is a good thing because I've seen multiple projectors offering a lot of features at this price point, but they are actually compromising on the picture quality. But this one, as there is no extra feature, it is not compromising, at least not compromising on the picture quality. The picture quality is really good, and you can always use your Fire TV stick or any kind of streaming device. You can directly connect it to the HDMI port, and that will work really well. And the Android available on these kind of cheaper devices is generally very crappy because it doesn't have that much configuration. So this will usually have low configuration, so whenever you launch any kind of application it will lag, and it is not a good experience. So I'll quickly show you the specifications of the product on the official website. So it mentions that it is a full HD projector with the brightness of 11,700 lumens, which is, I think, at this price point, it is one of the best projectors which are having brightest projection, and the max size of the screen can stretch up to 250 inches. Contrast ratio is 6000:1, which is also good. The blacks will appear really black, and support LTPS display technology, and lamp life is of 50,000 hours, so which is also good. I have seen the other projectors from other brands which are having the lamp life of 30,000 hours max at this price. Actually, it also has a built-in speaker which is a 5 watt. The output is good, I would say, but not the best, so it is always recommended to plug in your own speaker. You can directly do it via 3.5 mm jack present here, or you can also use Bluetooth for connecting your speaker. So I'm using this small tripod that I had, so it helps me adjust the projection at any angle. So this is very helpful, so I'll suggest you can also get a tripod. The best thing about this projector is actually the focus, and the orientation can be adjusted electronically. So you get the buttons uh, on the remote itself, so you can adjust the focus using the remote. And the projection is actually really bright. You don't need complete darkness in your room for to see the pictures. So this is how I have connected it to the laptop and the speaker. In this clip you can see the brightness of the projection, and also there is some light coming window. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and do subscribe for more such videos.